In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate with others in a shared list using TickTick. This is a fantastic way to keep your projects organized while working seamlessly with your team. Whether you're managing a group project or simply sharing tasks at home, these steps will ensure a smooth collaboration process. First, let's start by heading over to TickTick. TickTick is an incredible tool that combines a to-do list and calendar, and it's designed to keep you organized. You can access it easily by visiting their website. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the sign in button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're on the sign in page, you have a few different options, but for today's demonstration, we're going to use Google to log in. Simply click on Google and you'll be prompted to select an account that's linked with your Google services. Choose the account you want to use and this will log you into the TickTick platform. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main list page. You'll see your various lists on the left hand side of the screen. From here, navigate to the list you want to share with others. Once you've selected your list, look for a small icon that looks like three dots, usually near the list's name or title. Clicking on these three dots will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Share. Click on Share, and this is where the magic happens. Sharing lists with others in TickTick is remarkably straightforward. By selecting Share, you'll open up a new window where you can invite members to your list. In this window, you'll have the opportunity to invite others by entering their email addresses or their names. When entering their email or name, make sure to double check for accuracy. Team collaboration hinges on getting the right people involved. Type in the details of the individuals you want to add to this shared list and send them an invitation, and that's it. Once they've accepted the invitation, they'll be able to access and collaborate on this shared list alongside you. Remember, TickTick not only keeps tasks organized but also makes communication and collaboration hassle-free, thus enhancing productivity and ensuring every team member is on the same page. With those steps completed, you're well on your way to successful collaborative project management. I hope this guide helps streamline your workflows and foster better teamwork. Stay organized and see you in our next tutorial.